This is the Rocky Mountain ground bird bath from the company Bird's Choice. Pretty cool little bird bath. Only a couple inches deep. Looks real natural. Looks like a regular rock. I've got it sitting in a flower bed. You can see I've got real rocks over here. And then you've got the plastic bird bath that looks pretty similar to a rock. Not very deep, nice and rough. So hopefully the birds will like it. They won't be scared. I'll say this, quality control is not very good from Bird's Choice. This is a $75 bird bath, so you would expect it to be perfect. I just pulled it out of the box, and there's already several places that have plastic exposed where the mortar has already come off of it. So that's a little bit disappointing. But nonetheless, the main thing is whether or not the birds like it and use it. So let's see if we get any bird footage.